Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some whole wheat, butter, garlic and coriander naan. As you are aware, naan is usually made from plain flour, but I try to make my recipes as healthy as possible and try to make some minor variations which will help give it a good taste but also make it more healthier. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. The ingredients required to make the whole wheat flour, butter, garlic and coriander naan are 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, salt to taste, half teaspoon of baking soda, 30 grams of butter, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Take 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a bowl. Add salt to taste and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all well together. Add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it all well with kneading. Add water as necessary to form a soft dough. Add another teaspoon of oil and mix it well with kneading to form a smooth dough. Then cover and keep aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Melt about 30 grams of butter in a bowl. I've done it in the microwave, but you can do it any way you wish. Finely chop coriander and garlic. Add it to the melted butter, mix and keep aside. After 20 to 30 minutes, the dough has risen up. Add a little oil and knead it again. Heat in cast iron pan. It's important to use a cast iron pan as non-stick pan will not stick on it. Spread some flour over the rolling board. Take a small portion of the dough, make it into a flat round shape and roll it in the shape of a naan. Moisten the top surface with water, spreading it evenly all over. Invert it carefully on the cast iron pan with the moist surface at the bottoms. Press lightly with your palms to make it stick onto the pan. Cook on low flame till bubbles form over. When you know that the undersurface has got cooked, turn the pan over and roll it on the open flame as shown to cook the other side. Separate the naan from the pan with the spatula and transfer it to a plate. Spread some butter with the garlic and coriander that you have prepared on it and transfer it to the serving plate. Whole wheat naan, in addition to being more healthier, is softer and will not turn rubbery if the leftover naan is kept in the refrigerator. It can be eaten with any curry or dal of your choice.